The petrol supply to Shillong has been normalized as several tankers with load reach Shillong. Tankers of different companies like BPCL, IOC and HPC today reached different filling stations in Meghalaya with a load from Assam. The Shillong city yesterday witnessed panic buying of petrol as large number of people came out to buy petrol following reports that some unions in Assam have restricted the supply of petrol to Meghalaya. Similar supplies are also being made in other towns like Nongstoy. Meanwhile, state government has issued instructions to all concerned deputy commissioners and superintendent of police of the districts to provide adequate security for the smooth passage of petroleum fuel-laden tankers to the state. In the FIFA World Cup Football